Now, welcome for today's segment. My name is Stephen aka Dr. Active. I don't see bring better news coming up for today. More quick call take us for today. For something I never subscribe for this YouTube channel. I beg make me like, share, and subscribe. And let this YouTube channel reach 1,000 subscribers. I beg now. Now only if now because of now make me they do approve. You understand? So now no version now once and for now they bring video. You understand? So more quick rush to take us come for today. No time. Nothing where I no go see, nothing where man no go see. I be Burna Boy to sing this song. I don't know. I just want to say sing or something like that. One personal buzz between husband and wife to be. When I mean husband and wife to be, which is fiancé and bride. I want to talk on him for wedding day. Husband don't open found yansh for everywhere. As they go waka, they go church. You don't go do I do and die or how they pastor they do all those things. So we say they go talk say for better for worse. They won't go swear. I be one to they don't go make a commitment. As they go and say husband know the reason something for him man. No be say no. Say if this thing happen, this marriage will feel work. And don't find out for him man. Say nothing go feel change in mind. No be say this the other marriage go feel work. Now you come call husband, call your best friend and the wife come outside for Simon to now. So he talk. Say you know they will do wedding again. And they ask and say, what to make you no go do wedding again? Now he face his wife. Say whether you no say whether his wife say you no say him with his best friend they do around one which is they sleep with each other. And so Karasana boss who come see this girl begin the roll for ground like say an innocent person. Me I beg go this that too. Me not say no do again. Some people never see video when I first take a look for the video first.
This guy will call my friend. This stupid guy will call my friend. Oh, okay, my friend do you. So my friend do you. You my friend.
God, you fuck up. Bros, I beg, bros. Today na your wedding.
Please don't.
All that don't happen, no.
Wetin make this girl now go dey cheat on her husband with husband best friend? You want all those kind things, you know say your toto dey scratch you, your husband no fit no fit satisfy you. You no find far away go do am na place wey be say kasala go quick burst. Now you can go do am put. You understand? So now you don't disgrace yourself for wedding. Your family no dey proud of you, yourself no dey proud of yourself, your friends now shame everywhere. You understand? So even you wey be say you be husband friend. We no get their picture, but the video go show now. You understand? We don't already show now. You understand? So you will be say you be husband friend. If they watch me, you understand? So you no do it at all because this person and your friend will say if they mean best friend. Best friend will say now they Ghana they do things, they chop together, they roll together, they work out together. Now your wife go your wife to be now you got to see you want go do something. You understand? So if now you how you go take feel? No go so to another noise, you want to get time like that. Stand for a year for north side where our Nigerian soldiers they fight bandits, all those gunmen. They pursue Boko Haram, they pursue all those terrorists who say that they kidnap people for Nigeria. As you already know. So now I don't know what happened for the where they thought they sleep. You also first be like something we say I don't even know. You understand? Now so their commander just come. I don't know what thing they do, give the command down. I don't know what enter the commander, where the commander smoke it, go. I don't even know. And so the commander come, for sure all of them go outside. See when they sleep for outside. And this outside, so we see they sleep. So all those soldiers say scorpion they outside, many things, snake they outside. No be say as to pursue them, you get some people be say some set, we be say don't want to enter that place. So no be say you want carry chicken or fowl come inside that place or anything, they come inside just for your own mind, just to see me they come out. Soldier come they leave, but before I go talk, go far like that because this matter dey make me dey vex because before I first carry biscuit come, see me I fit dey get strength, dey eat, but I can't look and say this biscuit go still disturb me. And some people never watch the video, we say they pursue them come outside. Oh yeah, when I first take a look first.
As you can see, this was where the soldier moved in. Empty hall. Empty hall. One captain just came out from no angle. Call himself captain. What was his name? Captain for follow? Is it Fala here? Be Fala here? Empty hall. Empty hall. Nothing is inside this hall. He chased all the soldiers out. This is Zamfara. One brigade camp. He came in, chased all the soldiers out, that they should go and sleep outside, where there are reptiles. As you can see now, these are soldiers' load, which he evacuated from the hall. Outside. Left an empty hall. And there are a lot of reptiles in this bush, in this outside. Some people were being stung by scorpion. These are soldiers living like refugees, which they are fighting for their father's land. Living like refugees. How do you expect the morale to be high? And this is the accommodation that they are staying. There's only 6 officers in this.
When I don't take a look, when I don't see her now, Nigerian soldiers come they live like I want to talk like slave. We say they pledge to serve their country with all their strengths. You understand? Even the time we say me say even try. Say I won't do soldier. That time we say I go collect the form, which is 71 RRI, which is 71 recruitment. I don't forget. I do 71, I do 72. You understand? That time they don't pick me. Even I know things we say I go through. I going to go sign. Lawyer go sign. Yeah, I think lawyer go sign. No, guarantor go sign. Police DPO for area go sign. I think local government go sign. All those kind of things. My family member, I think go see sign that time. We say go say I not gonna know how the law can't take you now. Okay, Mona see these things now. As this things matter be now. These people they don't go as in they don't set their life. Give the country just to protect who will be say with civilians. Now we be say now we be say na civil soldier. Now not do anything take place because the commander you come poker them go outside. They come live like animal. We say money be say still they give themselves. I know they give them better money. I know still they pay them. Understand? So I beg, help me like and share this video. Help me click the subscribe button and let this YouTube channel see this 1,000 subscribers. God bless you now.